Finding your users' time on page can be kind of wonky in Google Analytics 4, and it's called something else now. I'll quickly show you where you can find it, but I do have a trick up my sleeve I'd like to show you that will make this a bit nicer. So first, you of course go to your Google Analytics account, you go to Reports, and then Engagement, Pages and Screens. And here we have a list of the pages I have on this test website where I show continuing education for other vets. And here you have the average engagement time. So it's not completely time on page, but it's the time that the user was engaged. And it's wonky because this is mainly a 1 hour long webinar video, and people might be sitting there with arms crossed and just watching the video by itself and not be engaged on the page, but still have it open. And I'm guessing that's why this is so low. There's also another metric here on the landing pages. Landing pages are the first page a visitor visits, and not in pages and screens. That's they can also navigate to that path. And here you have the average engagement time per session, and that's here as well. So Google Analytics 4 was never intended to show reporting. And to make this a bit nicer and a little bit closer to what we were used to with Google and Universal Google Analytics, I go to what used to be called Google Data Studio. I just Google it, and now it's called Looker Studio. I open up here. I've been here before. You will probably be asked to log in. You can create a blank report, and first time you do this, you will be prompted to connect your analytics account or whatever data you would like to pull in here. So I'll just click the Google Analytics account. I'll take the account that I need to add. So I add a chart. So let's start with just a basic line chart here. So I'd like the first, the y-axis to be months, that's here. And I'll change views to, and that is called user engagement. And that's at a time. So here I get the complete time is 26 minutes. I'd also like to add a table to have a closer look. So here I don't want, that's user engagement as well, but I don't want month here. I want to have the page path. So I'll add that one. And then I have my page path and then user engagement in time here. So to make this look a bit nicer, I've created a dashboard here for one of my Danish authority sites. If you want to see how I have built this dashboard, you can go and watch the playlist where I add in one graph at the time here to make it look like this. So I already have a table here with the page path, and I just want to add user engagement here, like so. Maybe pull it a little bit out like this. So to have a look to see if my website is still doing okay, or is it inclining or declining, or if I'm still on the right path, so I'll add a line chart as we had one before. Don't need it to be big, just to have a small overview. And then I don't want engagement rate. I wanted the, engagement, user engagement. Here it is. And then first session date, that could be something. You can also have like the date or the day of the week to see if there's any differences between the 7 days or something. And here I have the user engagement time on a graph, so I can have a quick overview. So if you want to see, as I said, how I built this dashboard, there is a playlist for you. And please also let me know in the comment section what you would like a guide for next. Till next time, take care.